how to make a face. Come on. Kahit no tutorial. With no tutorial. Come on. So, kailangan muna natin ito. So, we need to draw like this. Because you don't know how to do. Sorry guys, I'm not an artist. Next. Ay, sorry guys, di ko kaya. Sorry guys, I didn't wait to you. Sorry guys. I love it. Sorry guys, I didn't wait to you. So let's make for the tutorial. They go like re, mi, fa, sol, la. Konimato. So how to draw eyes? So you need to like that. Doge. Makintab. Ta-da! That's how to make a eye. So that's all. And how to make that bandage. Sorry, it's not good, but that's okay. Ta-da! That's how to make a bandage with nose. How to make mouth, just like that.